So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download your motherboard driver. So first you have to come to www.gigabyte.com. So then you can see this is search button and then type your motherboard model number B60M eagle V2 means version 2, second version, and then hit enter. Click to product. Click on motherboard title name. Click to support. Then select your operating system which is required. You can see here Windows 10, 11 both showing here. If you so if I am making video for Windows 11, so if you are using Windows 10, so no worry about it, because you can see this video and install the driver installation process. You just select your operating system. Okay, you can see 15, 13, like different driver. So first audio driver, so click to download. After you can see this is start downloading. So it is done. Just single click to open, double click to then click to yes. Now it is installing. So it will close automatically, means this is installed. Then close.